Bittensor could dip 5.7% by June 11, according to 30 rates. Let's kick things off by looking at the latest price movement. Bittensor is currently down 3% in the last 24 hours and sits around $209.88. Let's examine the analysts' market views. Crypto Predictions expects the chart to show $220.76 tomorrow, a gain of roughly 5.2%. CoinCodex expects Bittensor could approach $206.12, an estimated move down of 1.8%. Digital Coin Price points out the chance of reaching $204.29 lower, a projected loss of 2.7%. A separate estimate by 30 rates suggests Bittensor may head downward toward $198, a projected fall close to 5.7%. Finally, Traders Union sees a move to $196.30 by June 11th, a 6.5% dip. This one gives the best short-term opportunity. Those were 5 key outlooks. Let's move along. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. Taking into account the different outlooks, the projected price change could range between a decline of 6.5% and a gain of 5.2%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Traders Union shows the highest projected return with 6.5% gain in value by June 11. Based on these forecasts, you might make between $18 and $65 for every $1,000 you invest. Taking volatility into account, CoinCodex's forecast reflects a 95.4% chance of matching the actual price move. Looking at every forecast, I've summarized them into one consensus scenario. Consensus modeling shows Bittensor positioned for a decrease of around 2.3%. Here are the details. The consensus path points to a 2.3% downward shift. By that same margin, your capital might also go up. On a 1,000 position, this could potentially mean around $23 more. The consensus forecast carries a probability of roughly 94.2% of playing out. Now then, let's take a closer look at how analysts envision the 3-day scenario. The short-term signal from Crypto Predictions is clearly bullish. CoinCodex indicates that prices could dip further. Digital Coin Price indicates that Bittensor will likely stay level, reflecting market indecision. For the days ahead, 30 rate signals further gains. Traders Union notes bearish momentum building up. All forecasts merged together show a bearish scenario, with Bittensor moving downward. At the end of the day, the majority of forecasts highlight a bearish move for Bittensor. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts looked ahead to the next day. With that day now over, we can check the results. As a result, the market finally closed at $206.08. 3 out of 5 analysts correctly predicted the move. The prediction with the highest precision was made by Digital Coin Price. Now let's break it all down. All forecasts finished inside yesterday's trading range. And about ROI, the whole group was in profit, with Digital Coin Price showing the top performance. Let's move to the summary view. See how all forecasts performed overall. According to the fact check, Coin Price forecast recorded 0.6% ROI and accuracy. Look through the data and see if your expectations match the results. Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for Bittensor and other selected assets. At the very top sits Bittensor, showing a potential gain of 2.3%. We're focusing here on 5 coins, and the wider ranking across many cryptocurrencies is already online. We're done for today. Make sure you're subscribed for the next forecast updates. Bye, everyone!